After getting into Sault Saint Marie pretty late, I headed off the next day towards Sudbury. I saw this beautiful outcrop of wave ripples preserved in this phyllite. So cool! The weather was pretty hot, so I decided to stop at this nice river for a swim.
This is awesome!
I ended up taking a detour south towards Espanola because my cousin Neil has a friend who lives near there. We boated out to the island that him and his family lives on, and I had a wonderful time visiting. The next day I arrived in Sudbury and visited my friend Curtis. I also visited my friend Alan while I was in Sudbury. He fixes up Argos and he showed me around his shop.
What an awesome adventure!
Although it was a bit rainy south of Sudbury, it was a very beautiful bike ride. The place I camped also had so many blueberries. Next, I stopped near Muskoka Lakes and visited my friend Lily, who's working at a camp there. On my way to Barrie, I found someone's cell phone. Thankfully, I was able to get it back to them. I met up with my friend McKenna, who I hadn't seen since grade 2, and it was wonderful catching up. Then I visited my friend Tyler, who I hadn't seen in 5 years. The next day, me and Tyler drove to Toronto and went to the CN Tower. After seeing the amazing views from the CN Tower, we went to the coolest aquarium ever. Next, we had a crazy time swinging through the trees at a treetops obstacle course. It was so much fun. We then spent the evening chilling on the roof, which was great. Next, I headed to Midland to visit my friend Ethan, who I hadn't seen in 7 years. He showed me around town and we went on some fun adventures. Next, I headed off towards Guelph. I visited my friend Abigail and we went on lots of fun adventures. We poked around a bit in a small cave, which was fun. The next day we went and explored this awesome nearby ravine. There was so much delicious wild mint growing everywhere. On my way out of Guelph, I visited my friend Max, and I saw a groundhog for the first time. Soon I arrived in London, where I visited my friends Curtis and Hunter. We did some glow-in-the-dark mini-golf and went to an arcade, which was tons of fun. I also tried VR for the first time. The next day I swapped out my front tire and then visited some more friends who I hadn't seen in a while. Their mom makes the best food ever. What an awesome week of visiting people and catching up.